Are you new to the salon industry and excited about haircutting? In this video, we're going to talk about 3 major tips in how you can grow your haircutting business in the salon industry. Be sure to stay to the end of the video because I have something very special that you can implement when marketing any service in the salon. The first tip we're going to talk about is creating the cut. And by now, I hope that you watched the Pixie Haircut tutorial video. When creating the cut, there are 3 things that you should focus on. The first is the consultation. The first thing you need to find out when consulting with your client is find out their lifestyle. Lifestyle plays a huge role in how much time this client is going to have in maintaining this particular haircut that you guys decide upon. You must let the client know a few things. 1, how much time is it going to take to maintain the style every day? 2, how many visits it's going to take to come to the salon to take care and maintain this haircut based on the length, the structure of the haircut, and the growth of the haircut. Sometimes the client's hair may grow a little faster, sometimes the client's hair may grow a little slower. So based on the growth of the haircut is how often they're expected to maintain the haircut. And number 3, how much work are they willing to put into this haircut and maintain its overall look every day? It's very important that you get all of this established when finding out the lifestyle of your client during the first step of the consultation. So the second thing you want to do when creating the cut is find out what the clients want. Most of the times, clients really know what they want. So it's just a matter of you using your professional judgment in helping them decide on the perfect cut for them. One very important thing when finding out what clients want is to make sure that they're confident in the look that they've chosen and the look that you guys have decided upon. Confidence is definitely important when you're doing a drastic cut on a client. So the third thing that you need to consider when creating the cut is the texture of the client's hair. Texture is going to play a huge role in how this hair will work with the particular cut that you guys decide upon. If the hair is curly and you're cutting the hair dry, then you have to allow for the length and the space that the hair is going to shrink up when the hair is curly again. If the hair is fine and you're creating a bob look, there are certain techniques that you need to implement to give that hair more volume and to make the hair appear a little thicker than it actually is. And if the hair is coarse, you need to be sure that you're taking away bulk in areas that need bulk removed so that the haircut complements the client and her head shape. So those are the 3 things that you really need to focus on when creating the cut. What I recommend you do when creating a cut on any client is first develop style boards. Style boards are very effective when a client is looking for a particular cut based on her lifestyle, her head shape, and what she wants. So using an app such as Pinterest, you can create style boards in several different categories, and they don't necessarily have to be of your work. You can just continue to add pictures, and your categories might look something like this. You might have a board for bobs. You might have a board for pixie cuts. You might have a board for buzz cuts. You might have a board for natural hair. You might have a board with various textures of hair. And you should have a board full of diversity for all different types of heads, all different types and walks of life. Creating style boards and having that handy on any type of tablet is very effective for use in the salon every day. One thing that is very effective about style boards is that you can use it for any service in the salon. So the second major tip in creating and growing your haircutting business is styling the cut. So it's very important that you take charge in recommending certain products for the hair, products that are easy for the client to maintain and style the hair at home. When we're talking about styling the cut, there are so many different ways you can style one cut. We're going to take and use the pixie cut for an example. So here are a couple of pictures of how you can show your clients how they can style their pixie cuts. Another great tip when it comes to style, always look at how your clients come into the salon. What the hair is looking like. Is the hair completely out of place? Of course, it's not gonna look like exactly like it does when they leave you, but that'll give you a very good sense of how your client is taking care of that haircut. The foundation of any hairstyle is the haircut. So be sure that you're creating the type of cut that you know that particular client can take care of in your absence. So the next major tip in growing your haircutting business is marketing your cut. There are 3 things that you should focus on when marketing your haircuts. The number 1 is social media. So in today's society, social media is crucial when you are building your haircutting business and any aspect of your business in the salon industry. Using the social media platform, Instagram allows you to create a beautiful layout of your designs and your creative work. Instagram in today's society is pretty much like a business card, especially when you lay out your work in a way that's creative and interesting to the clients that come to your page to actually see your work, get to know you a little bit better. But you have to remember, Instagram is an amazing way to just lay out your work and allow the clients to see the flow and the creativity of your work. It is not the proper platform where clients can get to see exactly what you do in the salon, your salon procedures, your salon business, your salon professionalism. So once they get a great idea of what you can do as far as your work is concerned, it's up to you to take that work and that first impression that they have for you on Instagram to another level when they come to visit you in the salon. Instagram is the high tech, but face-to-face is high touch. Which is more important to you? So the second aspect of growing your salon business as far as marketing the cut is referrals. Referrals over my 27 years in the industry has been 95% of my hair business. And you must remember that referrals come from online business as well as offline. The number 1 tip with referrals when you're marketing your haircuts is be sure that you're creating some type of incentive for your existing clients to send you more business into the salon. When you think about an incentive, it doesn't always have to be something for free, and it doesn't have to involve you discounting your prices tremendously. For an example, a great idea of a complimentary service for your clients when they refer others to you is a conditioning treatment. And that is something that you know in the future they're going to benefit from it now when you give it away as a compliment. But in the future, they're going to have to pay for it when they want that particular conditioner treatment and those results that the treatment provided for them at that particular time. And the last aspect of marketing your cut is creating the brand you. How do you show up in the world? How do you show up online and offline? Are you professional on your social media pages like Facebook, Instagram? And are you looking the part? The main reason why you want to look the part when you're out and about is because you might see an amazing haircut on someone else, and a stylish person or a stylish potential client. You want to feel confident enough and look confident enough to hand them a business card, because you never know when that client and that person might need your services. Their stylist may be out of town, she might retire from the industry, she may be on vacation or even on maternity leave, or whatever the case may be, she may need your services in the future. Also, be sure that your client leaves the salon with plenty of business cards when people ask her about her amazing haircut. This is another great way that you can market your services in the salon, haircutting, color, whatever you do, where you get the client talking to speak for you, to market you, to sell your services in the salon. Take a look.
Hi, my name is LaTanya Bundy, and Sharon has been my stylist for 15 plus years, and she gave me beautiful colors, and I did not want to embrace my gray, because I have been graying since high school. So I didn't want to embrace it, and she gave me amazing colors. So I'm 59 this year, and the gray was coming through, and I was like, it's time for me to embrace my gray. So with her expertise, I have embraced my gray. She's cut it. My hair is cut. My hair has not been this short forever. I love it. So that's my testimony with my short gray hair. Let me turn.
enjoyed that, and I hope that you put that to use. Implement that in your business. That is a great marketing tool to help you grow your haircutting or any services that you are marketing in the salon industry. So there you have it. Those are my 3 major tips in growing your haircutting business in the salon industry: creating the cut, styling the cut, and marketing the cut. So just a reminder, be sure that you check out the Pixie Haircut tutorial video linked in the card section above, and also linked in the description section underneath this video. If these 3 tips help you get some ideas of how you can grow your haircutting business, give this video a thumbs up. And if you love this content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And feel free to leave us some comments if you have any questions or any concerns about growing your haircutting business or any aspect of the salon industry. We love to chat. I have an opportunity for you to take advantage of a 20-minute free CEO success call. So schedule your free CEO success call today. So check out that link below in the description section of this video. Be sure to check out our in-depth videos on goal setting for the new salon professional. Stay tuned and check those out next week on our channel, Hair Biz from Scratch. Be sure to share our videos out with your colleagues, with your friends in the industry. And if you know anyone that is new to the industry that can use this content, we would love for you to share our channel. So thank you for watching, and remember, this salon industry and building your business is a marathon, not a sprint. So continue to have confidence in yourself, believe in yourself, and enjoy the journey.